This is our new finished CNC press brake. The model is 250 tons, 4 meters. This is our brand name, Rbqlty. Machine with delay control systems, DA66T, which has 2D programming and 3D simulation. It is easy for customers to use. The quick change clamp and the segmentation mode. The front support with double link guts ring. The foot panel. This is laser protection. It can improve the safety during the machine working. The electrical composition. This is the electrical components. The back gauge parts. Stop finger. Welcome to send your inquiry to us. Machine model, color, and parameter can be customized according to your requirements.